Hey everybody, this is Furze, nasal and sinus surgeon, facial plastics and reconstructive surgeon. Many patients ask for a couple pointers after rhinoplasty to help their recovery. Well, here's 3 key things you should know after having rhinoplasty or nasal airway surgery in the operating room. Number 1, diet. Your diet should be different on day 1, on the day you have the procedure, versus the days after. On day 1, you'll still have some of the general anesthesia on board, and this can cause some nausea. In order to avoid further nausea, try to avoid foods that are greasy, creamy, spicy, or hard to chew. In addition, sometimes patients have some sensitivity of their teeth after the surgery, and you may want to stay away from foods that are hard to chew or things that are hard and crunchy like nuts and potato chips. On day 2, you can eat whatever you feel like eating. It's only day 1 where the restrictions are really important. Number 2, rest and elevate. Obviously, you've just had surgery, so you do want to take it easy. Don't do anything that's going to be too taxing on your body, and make sure you try to keep your head and face elevated as much as possible. We want to sit up and watch TV or read books. That's perfect. When you lay down to go to sleep, using a couple pillows or laying in a recliner is well advised. The last thing is keeping your nose clean. You've just had surgery, and if you've had surgery in the operating room, more than likely you're going to have splints in the nose. These splints aren't going to let you breathe very well, and they're also going to cause accumulation of mucus and maybe some dried blood at the front of your nose. You're going to want to use saline or salt water for the nose to rinse out the nostrils a few times a day. If you keep your nose and splints clean, it's going to speed your recovery and make it easier for us to get those splints out on your post-op visit. If you have any questions regarding nasal or sinus surgery or questions about its recovery, please give our office a call today for a consultation.